confronted all that I've deemed impossible to.
It's so cold in here.
I have redeemed an effortless, fearless creature. I have contracted ancient seas, contorted and perverted from bodies, disgusting fascist Greed is not natural. We live within scarcity. There is now human nature. There's only learned human behavior. I'm a terrorist. I reject the useless politicians, the pre-filtered media. I protect the internet where nothing can hide. I detain the right to have your position questioned. We have all suffered for too long. Disgusting fascist TV flair. Greed is not natural. We live within scarcity. There is now human nature. There's only learned human behavior. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. Not some kind of ransom of our creativity. Technology is there to help you ease the death disease. The machines will set you free. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. Using death to manipulate us into servitude. A system based on competition, clouds of grievance on a common good. We need a revolution in consciousness. We need a revolution in consciousness. I'm a terrorist. I'm a terrorist. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. I'm a terrorist of consciousness. I'm a terrorist of consciousness.
Hey, all you Dust Bowl Metal meatbags! Welcome to another edition of the Dust Bowl Metal Show, hosted by the Reverend Blackjack McBride, guitar player, singer for the world's only rustic outlaw, southern hard rock and roll slash blues slash metal slash whatever the hell you want to call us. We've been told many times we sound like this, we sound like that. You know what? Thank you all for the awesome words of encouragement. Anyway, two in the chest. That's what it is. Welcome to another edition of the Dust Bowl Metal Show. We are live this week from Phoenix, Arizona. That's right. We are back in town, off tour, and just loving life here in the sweltering hell known as Phoenix. That's right, meatbags. We're back in hell. And Satan actually goes to hell to get cool. So, anyways, this week in the Air Raid Hour, we're going to be spinning the entire record from Xpansion Theory. That's E. Oh, that's not E. It's Xpansion Theory. X, the letter X, Xpansion Theory. Check them out on Facebook. Give them a like. Let them know that the Dust Bowl Metal Show sent you there. And also, if you are in a unsigned hard rock metal band with a good quality recording, don't forget to send it to me. We'll get you in rotation. If you got a whole record, we might even play it in the Air Raid Hour. You can send your music and bios to, or press kit, whatever you want to send, to DBMS. Let me finish that. rbjm.dbms@live.com. That's rbjm.dbms@live.com. That stands for Reverend Blackjack McBride Dust Bowl Metal Show. And get that music over to me, and I will get you into rotation. The show is growing. Obviously, I mean, we are over 4 years old now. And I've been rocking Arizona hard rock and metal music for 4+ years. How about that, huh? We're still kicking it with the help of Mr. Joe Brucey, I think that's how you say his name, and the almighty Six Killer from Malo Di Dentro. Both of them kicked in half of a year of Dust Bowl Metal Show. Thank you guys so very much for helping keep the show on for another year. Things are looking up in the Dust Bowl Metal Show corner. So hopefully we'll be back onto 24-hour shows, spinning your music around the world 24 hours a day instead of just a podcast 6 days a week and one live show. But things sometimes take time, and things that are good and awesome never come overnight. Things that are awesome and good take time to ferment like a fine wine. 10-4? So anyway, we are here for you. If you have a flyer or any type of information on a show that you're doing tomorrow, next week, next month, 3 months, whatever, send it over to me so I can get it on the website. I'd like to promote all local stuff. If you are in a local business and you would like to promote on the Dust Bowl Metal Show website, you can donate some cash to me, to help me out, or you don't have to. It doesn't matter. Just send me your info. You can send that to rbjm.dbms@live.com, and I will get your information on the website, okay? Because we are all local all the time. Well, not all the time. I do like some bands from the U.S. and outside of the U.S. as well. But the key is to be unsigned. So Lago, I hear, just got signed. How about that? Let's get 2 horns up for Lago for getting signed. I don't know what label or what the extent of the signing is. Hopefully it's a good contract and not some kind of cheap pantywaist contract. That goes on around these days, because a true signing doesn't happen as the way it used to back in the 80s. It's a sad state of affairs, but internet has pretty much killed the rock and roll star. You know what I'm saying? But you still can become a rock and roll guru. You just have to play shows and keep getting people to your shows and touring and just basically giving them new music as much as you can and interacting with your fans constantly, frequently. And that's what I want from you. I want some news, people. Your fans want to know what the hell is going on with their favorite band. So if you're in a local Arizona band, hard rock or metal, get some info to me so I can post it on the website. Your fans want to know what the hell's going on, okay? And a lot of people go to the website to check out that information. And I am out of date because, I've been on tour for the homeless veterans. That's right. So anyway, we're getting closer to that as well. I'll get into that more deeply a little bit later in the show, but we are going to play some hardcore metal today and hard rock and roll as well. Before the show started, you listened to a moment to rise. What is it? No, forgive and forget. That was the name of the song. And then, of course, we had a Six-Prong Paw opening up the show on the Dust Bowl Metal Show this Thursday, August 31st. Thank you very much. We are done with this hell month, and we are moving on closer to the glorious Phoenix weather we are so well due. So anyway, we got some American Standards coming up. We're probably going to play some Singularity again this week. And of course, we will be spinning the brand new track from Sick Monarch. How about that, huh? That's right. A lot of crap's going on in the music scene this weekend and this coming week. If you want to know what's going on currently, because nobody's posting flyers on the Dust Bowl Metal Show group page anymore. And remember, if you're in a hardcore metal band that has the beautiful wooden branches for a logo, please write right below the logo the name of the band so retarded people like me can actually read the name of the band, because I did not go to college to read branch. So no, I'm not putting you down. Don't get me wrong. It's a killer artwork. It would probably make an awesome tattoo, but a lot of people that don't know who you are don't know what it is. I mean, I know what 6 Million Dead is now, because I play the band and I know the name of the band and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm going to stop yapping and we're going to get back to the show here. All right. So anyway, there you have it. And there it is. How about Awakening off of the Post-Apocalyptic record from Braced for Impact, starting off the show. If you have a request, please type it in the chat section on the Blogger, on the Listen Live page, or you can type it into a post I'm about ready to post on the Dust Bowl Metal Show group page. What? You're not a member of the Dust Bowl Metal Show group? What the hell's the matter with you? Come on! You got to become an official member of the Dust Bowl Metal Show for Arizona. Come on. Well, it doesn't matter where you're from. Join the group. I'll play your music if it sounds cool, if I like it. It doesn't matter where you're from. Anywho, there you have it. There it is. And here it is. Awakening by Braced for Impact.
Capitol Hill to work out a compromise health care plan. He lost his voice after his State of the Union speech. A roof collapsed at a supermarket in France.
This is a calling, I'll pay,
All right, you metal meat bags. That was Atoll. Right before that was Anomaly, I believe. If not, no, actually, yeah, I think it was. Duh, I don't know what it was. You know, it doesn't really matter, does it? It's awesome metal from Arizona. But that was Atoll. I believe they're in the studio right now recording a new record, and I cannot wait to get it. My little greedy little hands wants to get on that bad boy and check it out. We have Dehumanizer coming up next. I know I'm going to receive more music from Sickmonic, but here a little bit later in the show, we're going to play that brand new track. I can't even remember the name of it. I know it's going to come to me any second now. It's called This I Vow. It's a brand new track from Sickmonic. I'll probably be playing the other one too because it's pretty badass. Feed My Psychosis. Oh yeah. Well, anyway, without further ado, we're going to kick right off here and get this rocking and rolling here. I don't even know what the heck is going on. We got a lot of stuff going on, actually. And if you want to promote your show, all you got to do is go to the Dust Bowl Metal Show group there on Facebook and post your flyer or give me some dates and some band names or something. I don't know. Give me something. I can't promote you unless you do that, right? Right? That's right. All right, so after this tune, I'll get back to you. I'll say a few more words, and hopefully we'll have some flyers to talk about. I just heard a click on Facebook, so I'm guessing that Mr. Adam Spleen Kadeemris from Immortalized Productions probably posted some flyers because he is good like that. So anyways, without further ado, Dehumanizer. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
of Capitol Hill to work out a compromise health care plan. He lost his voice after his State of the Union speech. A roof collapsed at a supermarket in France.
Makes this things complicated. just another way to say goodbye forever in the zone.
The only thing that brings a touch in me